Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on dark mode on the Wattpad app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Wattpad app and tap on your user icon from the top right corner of the homepage. Now tap on the Settings cog from the top right corner. In Settings, tap on Dark Mode. You now have three options. You can switch dark mode on or off, or you can have it on auto, which means that it will change according to your phone's settings, so it will match whichever theme you have on your phone's settings. Tap on and your Wattpad is now in dark mode. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Wattpad tips and tricks.